Yo, what's up guys? I'm in the 6610 at the minute and I'm about to change these for on the back window. So these things here. So let's get to it. So also at the minute, Dad's changing the air filter. So I'll quickly show you that. So I've got the air filter here that cleans the air and going into the engine. And that's the case. So I'll change the gas things here, and then I'll show you what that's after. So this is a new one. It's quite hard to push in, but yeah. So I'm gonna fit this on in a minute. So I've got a 13 key here, which is the right size. I'm just gonna loosen this bolt up here at the very top, and yeah, let's get to it. So it's finger tight right now, so that's the top front off, which you see. I'll put that on the dashboard, that is going on the dashboard, and then I take this bit off. It's not easy to take off. Just push it a little bit. Sec. Where did I put the key? So I've got the front bit off. I've got the front bit off here, you can see, but I can't get that bit up there. Okay. Right, I'll try and get this off and I'll come back to it. Okay guys, so I've got it half off, as you can see. It's at the minute I'm trying to get this off. It's quite hard, so I'll pick up again once I've got it off. So guys, I've just taken the front bit off. Now I'm going to open the window and push. That was reasonably good. And now, I'm just trying to get this bit off. This is the hardest bit, because there's like a little ball that has to come off. There's like a little ball in it, and you have to try and get it off. But there we go. Once you know how to do it, it's a lot easier. So that's like the one, other old one. So when you get a new one, they come in a cardboard like thing, and basically let me just try and open this real quick. So basically there's a bit at the side where you just open it. And there's a new one. So, got that bit at the top, and then we've got the bit here. So there's a bit of grease in there, you can't really see it, but basically the ball goes in, the ball that is there's a little ball there. You can see it now. Basically this bit here goes onto that, and then you screw the top in. So push that on. There we go. And then you can open that, and it goes on the very top. One sec. Got the thing like on, but like it's not going in far enough when I close it. So when I close it, it just goes back out. It's a bloody so annoying. Okay guys, I've got the thing on. Oh, you can probably hear I'm out of breath. It's so hard to get on. Legit, I don't know why they make them so hard to get on. But yeah, let's bolt this on. So I've got the washer. Fuck, stay on. Then the bolt. And then the key. Okay, it's so hard to get the top bit on. It's ridiculous.
Oh, you're not doing that right.
How?
Well, you should have had nuts behind it as well.
There is no nut to put behind it.
Of course there is.
Where? There's no
There
nut.
should be a washer in there and a nut. You're twisting that around out of position.
What, so I need to take that one off as well?
No, was there not a washer on it when
No.
you took it off?
No.
I don't believe that.
I don't know
where
where.
a washer
I
going
found a
inside
washer
there.
on the floor, but
Yeah, so when you took it off, there must have been washers.
there's no washer that came off this one. Okay guys, so I've got the new one on. Nice and black, nice and shiny. I've got the bolt on up there. And yeah, so basically now, you push it out, it's all good, and now you can push it in. There. So, we'll do the other one, and then, yay, we're good to go. So, I'll find a place to put this. Ah, that's a good place. Right, okay. Get the key, and then we'll start. Yeah.
You want to hold that window up, actually.
Hold the window up.
Yeah, push the window up a bit.
Watch this. Ping out. Tighten it so. Okay.
Yeah.
I need to tighten this one then.
Right, because the window's pushing against you. Pushing in the right position. That's all, an angle.
It's very frustrating how hard it is to get on.
If it's that difficult, you're doing something wrong.
No, I mean to put this through there. because this keeps it wants to go push out, but you have to push it in.
You want to just think why is this so difficult?
Okay guys, so that's it done. It looks pretty good. Very good. It's pretty solid. Don't think it'll come off anytime soon. The actual bit where I had to put it back on ends there. Was I showing you that bit? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty solid. Don't think it's gonna come off. The bit that I put on ends there, but I had to put a bit extra on so that like it wouldn't slide back off. So that's pretty firm all there. There's a couple of pieces there, a couple of pieces there. It won't slide off now. And yeah, it's pretty, don't see myself, that's pretty good. Pretty good. So that's it for today guys. Might be back on the farm soon, maybe another few videos of on the farm, but for the minute that is it. So see you again soon. Bye for now. Okay guys, I'm round at the Richard Western and I'm about to put fix that because there's a black thing that goes on the end of it and it is like all up. So I'm gonna put it on, put some tape around it, and yeah, let's get to it.